You know, I started swinging an axe when I got a house and fireplace and heating with wood, and after a while realizing that it's not as effective, not as efficient as something like this. Not only that, it's incredibly efficient the way that you can pull up a truck, or you can split right to your stack. Just the flow of the machine is great, from the log lift to the two-way or four-way wedge is an option, to the table, just holding it, not having to bend down as often, not lifting logs as often. It's just really great, and it's light enough that you can pull it with a small pickup truck, no problem, move it around your yard. So I really love it. I look forward every year splitting wood and knowing that all winter I'm going to be covered.